Replacing a factory key fob can cost hundreds at the dealership. This Dorman remote promises the same functionality for potentially much less, but there's a crucial catch we need to talk about right away. We're looking at the Dorman 99423ST, a 6-button keyless entry remote designed as a direct replacement for select Chevrolet and GMC models. Right out of the gate, the physical impression is solid. It's made of durable black plastic, feels sturdy, and at just 0.16 pounds, it's exactly what you expect a modern fob to feel like. Dorman is leaning heavily on their century of automotive experience and their US-based product experts, which certainly boosts confidence in the quality of the components. They promise reliable performance and a long service life, matching the original equipment. Now let's address the elephant in the room: programming. This isn't a simple turn the key 3 times setup. The 99423ST explicitly states that a compatible scan tool is required to properly pair this remote to your vehicle. This is a critical detail. While you save significant money buying the Dorman part versus the dealership's OEM version, you absolutely must factor in the cost of professional setup. If you were hoping for a quick DIY fix, this isn't it. You need a qualified technician with the right equipment, which is why Dorman recommends professional setup. The good news is that once it's programmed, it functions identically to the original. It's a true direct replacement designed to match the function perfectly, offering that trustworthy quality we expect from Dorman. Just remember to use that fitment tool before buying. Key fobs are notoriously specific, so ensure your make, model, and trim level are correct. This is a high-quality, durable replacement part from a trusted brand, but the programming requirement shifts the value proposition from a potential DIY steal to a necessary professional installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.